Hey to all my integrated kids, and welcome to day 3 of the snowpocalypse. We're going to get back to where we left off in class on Friday, so that way whenever I do see you next, these things haven't gotten too rusty, and that is on phase diagrams. If you need some help on phase diagrams, you've forgotten kind of what they were, you can check out this video that's already up on my YouTube channel that covers all the notes that we did in class. And it's called Unit 1 Playlist Topic 2B. So find the integrated playlist, find the Unit 1 Topic 2B, and that'll go over the notes that we did in class if you've forgotten anything or you don't have your notes at home. So that resource is there for you. If you're good to go, I need you guys to go to this website, and I will put that link down in the comments section. And there are 22 multiple choice questions there on phase diagrams. Now before you go ahead and do this, on the next 2 slides I'm going to give you 2 freebies and 2 pointers, so don't click off of here just yet. When you get done with all 22 questions, it will show you this screen. It will say correct, your score is whatever, and it will say you have completed the exercise. Until you get done, it'll give you a score, but then it'll say like 2 out of 22 or 10 out of 22, however many questions you've done. So screenshot it when you get to this screen with your best score, and that way I have documentation that you did it. Now on to the 2 freebies and the 2 pointers. So the freebies, you might have noticed that I missed 2 questions. I was not very happy about that. And that is because I sort of dispute what this website has. I think he's just sort of simplified things and told a little fib to his students. So I'm going to go ahead and give you those questions for free. One of the questions that's free is above 300 atmospheres, the substance cannot exist as and you need to choose gas. And above 200 degrees Celsius, the substance can only exist as you need to choose gas. Now, if you're interested in why I think his answers are wrong, some of you guys noticed that on our phase diagrams there's a triple point. Solid, liquid, gas. This line continues off forever. This line ends at a point. And that is because at very high pressures and very high temperatures, you can no longer distinguish between liquids and gases. So at pressures above this pressure, or at temperatures above this temperature, basically where that point is, the substance is now what scientists call a hypercritical fluid, which has properties of liquids and gases, and you basically can't distinguish it anymore. He's getting at these with these answers. I just don't like it, so I'm just going to give you what his computer thinks is the correct answer, and for us we'll know that this is really what it is. And 2 pointers to finish off. One question says at STP, and STP is an abbreviation for standard temperature and pressure, and this is standard pressure 1 atmosphere and standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So for that question, you'll read 1 atmosphere off the y-axis and 0 Celsius off the x-axis to find the answer. Also, there are a number of questions on there that talk about going between 2 states and whether that absorbs or releases energy. This is kind of a common sense thing if you think about it. I believe all of you guys would agree that the lowest energy state of matter is a solid, and the highest energy state of matter is a gas, with liquid in the middle. So any change that moves up this list is absorbing energy because you're going from low to high, and any change that goes down this list is releasing energy because you're going from high to low. So if, for instance, you saw melting and it wants to know whether that absorbs energy or releases energy, that's going from a solid to a liquid. That's going up the list, so you would answer absorbing. Okay, send me your photos when you're done, and post any questions that you might have if you need some help. in the comment section. That'll go to my email, and I can check that throughout the course of the day. Later, guys.